It's Chad Chong. I am in Sydney, Australia. I just landed here this morning out of a 17-hour flight, and it was worth every minute of it. But I have a very special guest today on this episode that I'm filming right now to share with you how incredible our health enhancing stones are. Mr. Fabio Galdi, our CEO and founder, he keeps on sharing to us how amazing our germanium stones are. So what I'm going to do right now is introduce you to a special doctor who has an incredible instrument to show you with your own eyes to see what amazing things this germanium stones can do. So to my left, I have Dr. Ranga. Hey, Dr. Ranga, why don't you share a little bit about your background? If anybody wants to find you, how do they find you?
Okay, so my background is in food and nutritional science, and I've been in research for a long time in the US, and now migrated to Australia. I have been running a clinical practice for 25 years, and I treat people with chronic degenerative problems. And recently it's been more and more electromagnetic pollution or electrosmog has been a big problem. So with the Hilo recently, I was introduced to this amazing device, and I've been testing it to see if it actually has a positive effect on neutralizing electromagnetic fields, especially radio waves coming from mobiles. Like, for example, when you look at this mobile, you can see the red color. That's actually the radiation that is toxic. So when you're wearing it or having it close to your body, it can have a negative effect on your nervous system, immune system, circulatory system, heart, all of those systems. So what this device does is it actually can send a small current through the acupuncture meridian, which is higher in conductance, and we can send that current to the organ, which has thousands of cells, and every cell has a transmembrane electrical potential. So when a current goes, it will challenge that potential, and we get a outcome. And if that outcoming energy is the same as what goes in, that means the membrane potential is strong, and we'll get a 50 if it is healthy. Anything under 45 shows depletion or deficiency. Anything over 55 shows overfunctioning. So we get a good range of values. So right now we're testing few points just to see nervous system, circulation, heart, and maybe the lymphatic or immune system. So we're going to test Chad.
Okay.
So we have taken the Hilo off,
Okay.
and we move it away. And we're testing first what we call a baseline. It means on a non-acupuncture point to see what the conductance value is. And that will go up to, usually most people is 25. So that's sitting exactly at 25. Then we test the acupuncture meridian point, the small intestine, just to get an idea. Goes to 50 and stays at 50. I cannot push any further, so that's perfect. Second is heart. Now that's not quite getting up to 50 as we tested before.
Yeah.
It's 40. So there's a little bit of a depletion. Adrenals 50, that's good. And we test this circulatory system, that's also 40. So there is some stress on the heart and the circulatory system. Nervous system is good. Lymphatic system, excellent. So now we can see if the phone which we tested before for radiation, just put it on the body, just near your
Just
leg.
put it here?
Oh, you can do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we can test again. See, I cannot push it up beyond 20. So that's even gone.
So with the phone on here, it affects.
It drops below the baseline point, 25. So adrenals drop to 30. Circulatory system drop to 30. Nervous system drops to 30. Lymphatic system 30. So the whole system collapsed. And so we can leave
And
that.
just with a cell phone, ladies and
Yeah.
gentlemen.
So now we can put the Hilo on, and we'll still put that.
So I'm putting my Hilo on. I have the germanium plates on, and let's see what these plates do. Go ahead.
Yeah, so
I'm getting nervous to see this. So this is the reason, guys, not to take off your Hilo. Make sure you have those plates. Okay, so I got my Hilo on. Let's see what happens.
So now we put it back.
I'll put the phones on me again at the same spot.
Okay.
Wow.
Went up to 50.
Went
So
up to 50.
nervous system.
That was the nervous system?
No, that was the heart.
My heart, okay.
adrenals, and you can hear the tone, the energy.
It's stronger, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Circulatory system,
Wow.
nervous system, lymphatic system. So you can notice that before, even without this, your points were 40.
Yes.
And circulation was 40. But with that, even with the negative force, it pushes it up to 50.
Wow.
So we can just see now without anything, with just that.
With just
I
this.
just check the heart point,
Okay.
because it was 40 without.
My heart
the
was
helo.
40 without the
Yeah,
helo. That's
now
right.
with the helo, goes to 50 easily.
Wow.
And circulation was 40, goes to 50. So
Wow.
it has a therapeutic benefit.
Wow, that's
by
fantastic.
energizing the
So,
meridians.
Dr. Wang, if anyone wants to find you, where can they find you?
I'm located in Mossman at Bridgepoint Shopping Center, and the office, the business name is World of Health. And welcome to come and do some testing. Especially, it's good to test for electromagnetic sensitivity. Especially
Fantastic.
everybody's using phones now, and also there's a lot of other pollution from mobile towers, power lines, even electrical outlets, the sockets.
I see.
Yeah, at least half a meter. Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, there you got it. The health enhancing stones are worth every penny of it. And guys, make sure when you wear the helo, you put it on, because as you saw the evidence before you, it's definitely something that you guys want to have on you guys. This is phenomenal what helo is doing. And I want to tell everyone that's watching right now, myself and my wife, we are 100% world changers, and we're looking forward to see you at the next event. And guys, this is very simple. Send people that 2-minute video and show them what kind of life-changing tools that we have, and we're looking forward to see you at the top. Once again, my name is Chad, and I'm 100% a world changer. Bye.